So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot. So in today's video, I'm gonna tap into the current status of the Divine Masculine. So firstly, I want to thank you guys, but by the overwhelming response that you guys gave on my channel. The Divine Tarot, be it channeled messages or be it videos. I'm so thrilled and excited to keep doing these videos more and more and more so that I can tap into the energies and share a lot of details with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to use my Mystic Tarot. So yeah, I'm getting the energy of missing. This Divine Masculine is missing you a lot. He's reminiscing all of the times and could be all of the conversations that you guys had. He's reading in the night. He's not sleeping in the night. And, he is coming to major realizations, regarding everything. Could be you told about family, you told about his friend circle, you told about his workplace. So yeah, so major realizations. And I'm hearing the word 3 months. So whatever this is, it happened over the 3 months. So from 3 months, he is like his eyes are wide open. Yeah, I'm also hearing that he had a fight with somebody at his workplace. This guy is frustrated. Oh, this guy is frustrated completely. Like, is angry. Is this that is the energy of anger. So yeah, let's pick one. So I'm picking up his workplace, something to do with his career. Oh my god, I just said that and I got the devil. So yeah, there is somebody devilish at his weight. Yeah, so there is somebody devilish at his workplace, or somebody that is stealing this guy's credit or not giving him the credit that he deserves. I knew, see, whenever it is a career related thing, I always use my Mystic Tarot. So I knew this is something to do with his career. So yeah, this is the devil. You can see how this, somebody is stopping this guy's growth. The steps is that, right? And it is, could be like majority of you, it can be a female energy, it can be a male energy also, but it is strong female energy. Could be some men are also involved with this woman, or somebody are spying at this Divine Masculine. Yeah, this guy is frustrated because his freedom is being stolen. So yeah, the Empress, oh my god, this is you. This guy is thinking about you a lot at his workplace. This is YouTube, so I'm just controlling myself. This guy is also thinking about doing you in the office. Let me know if you guys, like if your Divine Masculine works in the same office place. This guy is imagining you, or could be he's going to the washroom to check out what you are up to. Like as I said in my previous video, like he's checking out like what are you up to. Or he's going into this washroom to check out like your social media, your stories. So something to do with that. He's checking. You are this Empress. You're not a queen, you're an Empress. Divine Feminine. This guy is so like Empress is A to Z, like complete everything. They are like he's mesmerized by your beauty. So let's check. So I'm gonna divide this and let's check more about what is happening at this guy's career place. So somebody is stealing this guy's freedom. So yeah, and it's a woman. Majority of you, okay? It can be a man as well. Man is involved. Like somebody is doing this job of a spying, on this guy, like, and updating this woman. Something of that sort. I'm also hearing CCTV. What is CCTV? Let me know, guys. Something to do with CCTV. So I'm also hearing that. So yeah, let's check. I told you guys, this guy is feeling, trapped or surrounded. We also have moon right here. So this guy is feeling, this guy is feeling like he's, as I said, that he's losing his freedom and he's surrounded. That's what he's feeling. You can see this. Yeah, and you can see how this woman is holding this sword. So this guy is in this defensive mode at his workplace. This is his workplace. This is stealing his mental energy, and somebody is taking away his growth or what this guy actually deserves. This guy deserves this. This guy deserves discredit, and he's also crying and sad and feeling betrayed. Betrayed. Yeah, I'm feeling that he's feeling betrayed, and you can see how this woman is holding her sword. When somebody strikes her, to strike back. That is how exactly he is. Something to do with his workplace. He's not happy career wise. Yeah. Justice. I told you guys, this guy wants this. He's actually even asking universe that, but I'll tell you something. Why this is not happening? This girl, because we got the empress here, otherwise I would have not told. This empress warned this guy that this is going to happen. You will not get equality or equal share at your workplace. This girl told this divine feminine, right? And this guy didn't listen. This is the consequence of not listening to her. This girl foresaw this or warned that, you be careful, something like that, right? For a person like me, I can foresee future. So for me, it's okay. Like me telling it is fine. But you girls also have intuition, divine feminine. So you warned about something. Could be somebody at his workplace are backbiting against him. This guy is, I'll tell you something, this guy is alone at his workplace. Everybody is this female energy, this woman's side. Male energy, I'm picking a male energy also. It's 70-30. 70% it's a man and 30% it's a woman. Sorry, ulta. 70% it's a female and 30% it's a man. But female, very strongly a female. Yeah, this guy is crying for, justice. But this girl told you that you will not get this. Yeah. Let's check more. Temperance. This guy is, this is reverse. I can pick that up. So this guy is stopped bothering. This guy stopped putting that effort, stopped giving himself at this workplace, stopped attending parties, stopped his, hanging out with his work colleagues, stopped, complete cutout, slow cutout. That's what I see this. Okay. King of Pentacles. So this woman is holding this guy's money as well. Finance. Yeah. This guy is looking out for stability. Actually, he wants this stability to come to you, divine feminine. Could be he wants to buy a house, want to buy a car, have a lavish thing so that you can come in, this empress can come in. But come on, you're not looking out for only this. But this is because King of Pentacles is a prestige card. Like he wants. So yeah guys, sorry I got a call. So King of Pentacles is a prestige card and he wants this so badly to give to you, like he wants to earn this, to give you. Oh God, what has opened? Yeah. So he wants to give this to you. Divine feminine, he wants to buy you gifts, he wants to pamper you. He finds you this beautiful person, like an empress, sitting in the chair and having this abundant energy, this ray of light, this sunshine. He sees you as that. And yeah, he wants to give you this. He wants to spoil you with gifts. This divine masculine wants to spoil you. He wants to give you. You have to just open your mouth. This guy will give everything. So something as, see, this is a very sensitive topic. Please take what resonates and don't. Something here is involving sex magic or black magic. Somebody is doing on this masculine, yeah? And that is the exact reason this woman is not allowing this man to go near she don't want this man to go near divine feminine. So she is using some black magic, spell work and all of those things so that she don't so that this guy doesn't go, because this woman is, this karmic is very angry on divine masculine, that what he sees in this girl. She tried all means to tell shit about divine feminine. Yeah, some part of mistake is of divine masculine also. How can you listen to this when this is such a divine blessing of this union between this man and this woman? So now this guy's eyes are wide open, and I'm again hearing the word 3 months. 3 months. From 3 months, major realizations happened. Like he's understanding crystal clear. And this woman has been cheating this guy for a good time. Okay, let's ask about time, because I want to know what is the timing. So yeah, 2 of Wands. Okay. 9 of Swords. This guy is cheated full on. In terms of money, in terms of credit, in terms of finance, in terms of status. Everything, this guy trapped him. Sorry, this woman trapped him. 9 of Swords. So this guy is actually crying in the night. This is regarding career. And why he's crying more? I'll tell you the reason of crying more or weeping more is not listening to you. Or there came a point where he had to choose between career and you. He chose career. So yeah, and he is feeling disheartened that how can I lose something so precious or something so pure for these people. I have, it this is what he's feeling. It is not game over or not the end, but he's getting angry on himself because he couldn't spend the time with you. So yeah, he's getting angry of that he couldn't spend the time with you, when actually it is the actual root. So yeah, the tower. Oh my god. Major tower moments. This is not done yet because I got the two of wands. So another 2 months this is going to continue all the way till Feb and March. There is going to be immense fights at his workplace. And I'll tell you, divine masculine, whatever this thundering or lightning is striking is actually happening for your good, because you don't deserve to be here. There is very beautiful opportunities. With when you come to divine feminine, life would be uphill. You would have abundance. You will have money. You will have everything when you come to this girl. Yeah, that is what exactly spirit is also telling. Here is paying the price of choosing these people over you in the past. So yeah, that somebody like me can tell that this person is good, this person is bad. So the divine masculine has to follow, or listening or not listening is his choice. But now he is very sad. Why? I'll tell you, because he didn't listen to you. That is what eats up this guy, that he didn't listen to you, because now his eyes are like owl wide open. Everything that has happened, be it family, this is mainly career. Okay, so career, whatever injustice was done with this guy, injustice, yeah. So everything is coming out, everything is crystal clear now. He can know that how much he has been cheated or trapped. And there is a very massive female energy. Some woman has done this. Could be he has a female boss, female manager, something to do with that. Okay, and this guy is dying to talk to you. He's dying to tell you all of this, actually. And he's drinking also. For me, I told you always my two of cups is the twin flame card. So yeah, he's day and night. You can see how is that day and night he's thinking about you. Okay, he is thinking that he should have listened to you. Yeah. And the next, Queen of Pentacles. Oh, this is the karmic. This karmic hates this divine feminine. Okay, she has a lot of anger. As I said in that other video, I want you guys to check out that video. What is the role of divine masculine here? This divine masculine cannot fight. This karmic is too toxic. Toxic. Whenever I pick up her card, I feel I don't like that energy. So yeah, this woman actually is angry. Divine masculine is coming to this woman, the divine feminine, and there is something, including sex magic. She's doing all this. She uses sex as a means to trap this guy, to trap this divine masculine, and he has surrendered in the past as well. But from over the time, he's not doing that, because he is realizing the worth of you, divine feminine, because he fell in love with you immensely, deeply. So yeah. Three of Pentacles. A lot of things, lot of clarity came when, the separation that happened between you. He understood the worth of you. When you were beside him, he always thought, he never knew this, okay? Three of Pentacles is, this triangle you can see. This is also like divine, okay? He's understanding the worth. I think the universe is speaking to this guy a lot through signs, synchronicities, dreams. Yeah? Three of Cups, this guy is drinking full on. You can see he's also hanging out with his friends, and you can see that heart. So he's talking about his love. He's talking that I should have listened to her. Maybe he told his friends that this girl warned me about all this. That's what he's telling his friends, this Three of Cups. So yeah, let me pick on my, I'm not using my light seers today. So let's check on my, the Radar White. Yeah. Page of Pentacles. This guy is dying to talk to you. Page of Pentacles is a communication card. He's also reading the conversations that he had with you in the past. Over 1 year. Because I got the Pentacles. So 1 year. 1 year as a very important. This guy wants a new beginning with you. The Fool. He wants a new beginning. Because I'll tell you, let's ask this, okay? Today I'm feeling to ask this. What the Divine Masculine sees in you? That is my question. So what Divine Masculine sees in Divine Feminine or likes? Firstly, I got the Queen of Cups. So he likes how you're nurturing, because I'll tell you, this guy never got love from his childhood. He likes how you nurture him, how you pamper him, how you, maybe you have these cute names which you call him, that he really loves. So that's the first quality he really loves about you. Let me know if you guys want 18 plus video and qualities, so that I can show you guys my cards and I can do that. So it's a future video, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep on doing these videos. So he likes how you give these baby names, or you pamper him. Let me tell you something, okay? This guy is a very rigid kind of guy. He didn't have this upbringing, or he didn't have the emotional support from his parents, from his siblings, and even in his career he is going downhill. This guy put in a lot of effort, okay? I'm feeling so sad that this his career is, this guy deserves the credit. Had he been with this divine feminine, universe gave him many chances to be with this divine feminine. Had he been with divine feminine or with her beside, nobody would do injustice to this man. No force can come near, because divine feminine is immensely protected by the universe. So yeah, he really likes the baby names you call him. Yeah. And he wants a 10 of cups with you. Are you kidding me? He wants, like, what is this card? I'll tell you guys. So 10 of cups is, if ever any woman has to carry, like if he wants to have kids, he only wants you to carry his kids. That is how I'm seeing that as this, the Queen of Cups. If any woman have to carry his children, like his race, like his family should proceed with his surname, then it would be only you. And he wants to have 2 kids, this dream, this home, and as I said, he wants that kid's life with you. Only you are having this right, because I got it followed by Queen of Cups. So only if some woman have to carry his babies, only it will be you. That's what he's trying to tell you. Okay? And he wants you 8 of Wands. He wants to just trap you, so that you love him, you never leave him. You see him as this dream man. And I'll tell you what else I'm seeing here. 8 of Wands is, he is also seeing how you make him, he likes how you make him feel. You make him feel abundant, you make him feel strong, you give him this confidence, because 9 of Pentacles is an independence card. You tell him you can achieve everything. For example, he has to fly or do skydiving, you will be like, you can do it, come on, you can do it, and he will skydive. That is the confidence boosting, because this guy is a very handsome man. He's a very good looking man, because I got King of Pentacles, but he is not having this confidence. He don't know that he has this talent. He don't know that he is having this talent. He lacks that self-confidence. But when he is with you, when you speak to him, 8 of Wands followed by 9 of Pentacles, you give this confidence. You tell him you can do it. That's what is he likes that about you, because you boost his confidence. Or you show him this mirror, because Twin Flames is a mirror soul. You show him this mirror that, see, you have all this. I'm not telling something which you do not have. It is within you. You can do this. So it's like a mirror soul. You're showing him that he can do it. Okay, what else? Didn't I tell you he wants to trap you? He wants you to feel like he is the only man. I told you in my previous video also. He wants you to feel like that. He wants to trap you. This is kind of a little bit obsessive as well. He doesn't want you to go anywhere, right? He wants to have this is another indication I'm getting here. He wants to tie you and do you so badly. This is also sexual attraction. Like, I don't know if I can tell this on YouTube. So BDSM kind of thing. He wants to even have that. Yeah. 9 of Wands. You can see how is this guy's attitude. This is you, okay? The wand that he's holding is this. He left everything. Trust me, everything. But trust me, I'll tell you, this is the actual path. These were all nonsense people. Now, henceforth, by the time Saturn changes, astrologically Saturn changes in April, on April 29th. By then, you would see, he has cut out 90% of his people. Only the friends that he's closest with, whom he has this bond, emotional bond, and who will support him henceforth, that many people only he's going to keep. Okay, Divine Masculine, if you're watching this, if you are also if you are a Divine Masculine watching this, even Divine Feminine is doing this. Even divine feminine is distancing herself from the people that no longer serve in her life. Even divine feminine is doing. Divine masculine is doing at a massive level. Divine feminine is doing at a lesser level. For example, this person cuts out 10 people. Divine feminine is cutting out only 2 people. Like that. She is also letting go of, her past, that no longer serve her. Universe has a very big role in this. Okay. See, henceforth, what is the summary of the reading today? I'll tell you. This guy repents of not spending time with you. That's what is the repentance here. He's feeling like I should have done spend time with divine feminine, because obviously he would have that joy. This guy is boozing also a lot in pain, okay, because of his career. But this is not the end, okay, but you have to cut out. There is something fresh, a new thing has to start. Let's today I'm not getting like what is the energy henceforth for the career. I want you guys to see my cards when I do the divine masculine career henceforth, like what is the journey. But in this I got that this is going to continue for another 2-3 months, this fights and this stiff situation. Because I'll tell you, this is happening for your own good, divine masculine. Please learn to stand up. Okay, I'm picking up very high Leo and Sagittarius. Fire, I'm picking up fire because I got a lot of wands. Not Aries. I'm picking up a lot of Leo and Sagittarius. Could be you have a moon there, you have a Mars there, you have a Venus there, or you are that rising Lagna. Yeah, very strongly I'm picking up that. Yeah, and it's also I'll tell you there is a water as well here. So all the three water, the Scorpio, the because 3 of Cups came, the Scorpio, the Cancer, and Pisces. So yeah, I'm picking up very strongly. There is no much Scorpio here. There is high Cancer here because lot of Cups. And what else we have? We also have all of the earth signs. See, even if you're not that, you will definitely have a little bit of chart placement in your birth chart. Moon, Mars, Venus will be in that. Like for example, I'm a Taurus moon. My Mars is also there, but I'm a Libra Venus. But if you see in zodiac, I am a Scorpio zodiac because I'm born in November. And if you see rising, I'm a Gemini rising. So everybody have that little bit of everything. So yeah. Hierophant. This guy wants a traditional marriage with you because Hierophant is something old. This guy is actually, trust me, I'll tell you something. This guy is very old fashioned. I know he doesn't seem like that with his behavior, we got a lot of wands energy. So this guy has very good sexual relationships as well. So he doesn't seem like that, but deep in his heart, he wants, that 1950s 60s where they wear that sari and all of that is the mentality of this guy. He wants you like that. Okay, if you be like that or not, that's your choice, divine feminine, but that is what he likes. So yeah, he likes old fashioned things. Maybe this guy is telling everybody opposite, that I don't love don't believe in marriage and all of that. Yeah, because to tune himself into this group. Ace of Cups. Something to do with Ace of Cups is also a message, a communication, offer. This guy is planning something, okay? Could be a love offer, a gift, something this guy wants to give you. You can see how this hand is offering this cup. This is also booze, okay? So this guy, when he texts you, he will be very highly drunk because he's lacking courage to text you. And I'll tell you now what, apart from coming to you, there is no other choice or no other option left than coming to you. Because his life is not okay, okay? Like he's not doing fine. Yeah. He also knows that I have to only come here. He also has this clarity. Okay. The next Empress card twice. This guy loves you so much, okay? Even if somebody tells negative thing about you or tells a negative quality about you, this guy will shout on them. He'll tell, come on, what do you know? I know her very well. Like that he'll tell. Yeah. What else? Seven of Cups. This guy is looking out for options, I'll tell you, career-wise. Because today's reading is about career. Sexually also this guy is done. Like no longer it excites him. Having these fun sex relationships also. This guy is daydreaming of having sex with you. Yeah, Page of Cups. So I'll tell you this, this divine masculine loves this innocence about you. There is this pure, this white energy about you that he really loves. I'm seeing that this card is that he loves your energy, he loves your innocence, how you're so, like this, in between that black rose you are this white pigeon that is so pure. He sees you like that, sees you are so delicate. He wants to, protect you. He wants to protect you so badly. He's protecting you, but he doesn't know that he needs your help to, fight this everything, or see a change in career. King of Pentacles. So this guy, universe is telling him non-stop. Universe is communicating to him immensely. It is telling him, please go to your divine feminine. Please, that is your root. Divine masculine is not, left alone. He's having these dreams and all. This guy has very high manifestation power. This guy, because I got King of Pentacles twice. This guy is divine feminine. This guy is slowly, like, even if it is slow, even if it is tortoise speed, but there is progress. Okay, this guy is slowly, learning everything, trying to, yes, he's doing it slow. He's not a rabbit, but he's a tortoise. He's doing it very slowly. He's grasping, but whatever growth it is there, it is a very steady growth, because King of Pentacles shows that it's a very steady growth. Like, it's a very steady growth. There is not like that speed is not there, but he is doing it. See, we have Taurus again. Taurus is very strong here. Here I'm picking up Aries. So yeah, the Hermit. This guy is in loneliness. Something to do with New Year. New Year. So I'm hearing that, which just went 6 days ago. New Year. What happened on New Year? Yeah. This guy is having fights, a lot of. He's very frustrated, very irritated. That some of the major anger is because you are not talking to him also. That also is having this anger thing. Because I'll tell you, you both are this soul where both of you are very firesome people. Okay, have a lot of passion individually. I'm talking about individually, this man and this woman. But when you both come together, there is this inner peace. There is this calm water kind of feeling. Yeah, even this divine masculine is slowly everything understanding. It's a little bit slow, but it's there, it's steady, because King of Pentacles shows that it's a very steady growth. Queen of Wands. This guy finds you sexually very attractive, very good looking. Something to do with your face, because I'm seeing that here. Something to do with your face. Okay, let's decode like what he likes you physically. Something to do with your face. He likes your face. Could be the face shape or structure. And what else? He likes your. Some of you have black eyes. Let me know, because I have brown eyes. Yeah. So yeah, he likes that. And big eyes. Could be big eyes. Yeah. But some of you have black eyes. Yeah. And what else he likes? He likes your skin, because that's what I'm seeing here. Knight of Cups. Because cups represent skin, like your water. Yeah. And what else he likes? I can just decode the things, the spirits want to convey to me. So yeah. Let's decode, like, what else? What else he likes? He likes your body. Three of Pentacles is that. He likes your talking as well. Because Three of Pentacles is like, that you can see how those all three are talking to each other. Talking. Yeah. I'm shocked how, we can decode through cards. Knight of Pentacles. He likes how you're very strong. He likes that how you fight back. How you have this immense strength. You can see how this guy is wearing this armor. He likes that. That you, no matter how many bad things happen to you, you strive. You again, sort it out and proceed forward. He likes that about you. So yeah, and divine masculine, please be careful. Somebody, there is this woman is, I'm also hearing STD. Please let me know if this woman gave you STD or what. This guy is fearing that. I don't know why I'm hearing that, but I'm hearing that. This guy is fearing to have sex with this woman. Because she will give him STD or something. He's getting scared. Yeah. What else? Death. Oh my God. Many of you, there is this divine masculine is going to leave his career, or very fast it's going to be. Yeah, now I got the Scorpio card. Very fast. He's going to take abrupt decisions because he's done. He's frustrated. No matter how much drink he's having, if you would be beside him. But this space was necessary for him to realize what are you. Yeah, the space was necessary. There had to be this separation phase, but it's no more. Okay, this guy is going to come like very suddenly. Death is sudden, very abruptly, like out of the blue. Yeah, this guy is looking for his future, and when he thinks of his future, you will be in that. Today, the cards don't want to stop as well. You know, I generally get a sign when I have to halt my reading, but today they just want to keep on going. Maybe this guy wants to talk to you so much. But he's very nervous. But I'll tell you something, how he was nervous in the previous in my previous reading, he's not so nervous. 50% he's fine. More than nervousness, there is anger here today. There is anger because lot of wants energy. It is two things. First, he's frustrated because he's not able to meet you, not able to talk to you, you know, because you want him everything. He wants to tell you everything. There will come a time where he will ask you and do everything because he's scared, you know, he'll mess up or he lacks that self-confidence. But you are there anyways beside him to boost this, this self-confidence. So again, Ten of Pentacles. He wants this so badly. On that thought, I'm going to stop that. We're going to pick some Moonology cards. Yeah. And we're going to check. So keep on watching my videos, okay? It's a story. So if you are first time watching here, please go back and read that. Your hard work is paying off. Newman in Capricorn. So this is Aries as well, a lot of Aries, Capricorn as well, but Aries. Capricorn is the sign of, it's ruled by Saturn, so there is a lot of stability, and Saturn is there, Mercury is there, and one by one, all planets like your Venus, Mars, Sun, everybody, one planet will, go in conjunction with Saturn and move to Jupiter. So whenever Jupiter is like your, anything that happens solid. Jupiter is your, court. Jupiter is your institution, like your family, like your traditional institution. Jupiter is that. All your temples are your Jupiter. So yeah, slowly when planets move from Capricorn to Aquarius. Aquarius already Jupiter is there till April. So everything, this guy, I'll tell you what. Here it is not you, divine feminine. This is divine masculine. One planet as it is going, like your Mercury is right now there. Okay, after this till March it is there, and Mercury and Saturn conjunction always give you clarity. Then we have Mercury and Jupiter. Like this, one planet will come. These guys are opening wide open everything which he was. I got 10 of Pentacles. So from good, 5 years for some of you, 10 years for some of you. This guy is working there. Yeah, everything is. Whatever cheating or whatever injustice that was done to this guy, everything is coming out. Everything clarity is getting. You can see how that moon is here, so dark. But you can see that little light that is there. Everything is getting this clarity. Yeah. And what else? Luck is on your side. Luck is nothing but your divine feminine. And as I said, Sagittarius. So luck is on your side. Luck is nothing but divine feminine. I'll tell you something. Even this guy knows that you are his lucky charm. Divine masculine knows that you are his lucky charm. And he wants you all by him, to himself. Work through your fears. New moon is Scorpio. Didn't I tell you there is a Scorpio with the death card? So that's about it. So let me read some of the messages. So guys, this is today's reading. I want you guys to, keep watching my future videos as I'm doing it, as I'm decoding the energy. And something, please, divine masculine, check out like who is this karmic or whatever. Please be careful. Yeah. And please come. Universe is telling you to come to your divine feminine. Yeah. Maybe your divine feminine are also giving these signals. And I want you guys to also check out the channel messages. The channel messages have very huge role because they are nothing, like I am here decoding the cards, but the channel messages are direct from the universe. I use my crown chakra to decode these messages. So you can go check out the channel messages. They'll, help you convey those words which your divine masculine want to tell you. Your body is a piece of art and your soul is a piece of heaven. Wow. Didn't I tell you is very attracted to your body and skin, something to do with your skin. And what else? I'm so proud of everything you do. So this divine masculine is telling that he's very proud of you. Why don't you come yourself and tell? I'm in love with you. 11, so twin flame number. Okay. And what else? 55. Wow, so this is how real love feels like. Like you're giving him this real love feeling which he never experienced in his life. Trust me, guys, he never knows how it is to have an emotional bond, how to be a baby. He don't know that. He don't know that how it feels to be being pampered by somebody. How it feels. This guy is experiencing all this with you. You have showed him that you don't need to have good looks, you don't need to have money, status, financial thing. You divine feminine love this divine masculine for what he is inside his heart. That is how you both connect. All this status and all, nothing matters to you. I got a lot of king of pentacles here. So this guy has status. Okay, king of pentacles is a card of status. Could be the woman that came earlier in his life used this status as a means to get close to him, but you don't do that. Okay, and this much this guy is having clarity. This guy is dying to talk to you. Okay, so let me know if some of you got a message from your divine masculine in the comments. Please let me know. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye. I'll see you guys in the next video when I decode more energy. Bye, guys.